Hi guys, welcome back to Doodleville. Today we're going to draw a snowman. I hope you have fun. Welcome back to Doodleville, guys. Today we're going to draw a cute snowman.
Okay, so first you need your paper.
And something to draw with.
Awesome. Let's get started. I'm going to start by drawing the head, but we're going to leave an opening from here to here. So we're going to draw like a big U shape. There to there. Then next I want to make my scarf. So I'm going to draw a little scarfy scarf right here. And circle around and kind of like make it thicker on that side. Then we're going to make that hanging part of the scarf right here. And then here's it up. Then I'm going to make the little fringe that hangs off the scarf. Good job, Krista. And I'm going to do a little squiggly line in here just to show the scarf is around the neck. Okay, good. Next I'm going to start on the hat. So on this one we're going to make a top hat. So we're going to make the brim of the hat. So we're going to start here. We're going to make a wide brim. Kind of U-turn it around and then back around. Then a little circle up in there.
And you go like that.
And then you're going to do a line across here for where the hat's sitting on the head. And then we're going to do a line from here to about here and slightly flare it up at the top. And same thing on the other side. You can make yours taller or shorter, whatever you desire. In Doodleville, it's whatever you feel, man. Okay, kids, let's finish the top of the hat from here to here. And you're on your way to looking good, Mr. Snowman. Okay, now I'm going to make that pretty part of the hat, little buckle, and make that red part. Now I'm going to be doing the cute eyes. So I want to make my eyes kind of far apart for me. So I'm going to do mine here and here. And do lower, okay? I'm going to do one kind of oval circle here. And one oval circle here.
Can I do them closer?
Whatever you want. You can do yours closer, further, up, down, wherever you want your eyes. Put them there. Next, I'm going to do a circle, big circle here, and a small circle right next to it. And do the same thing for the other eye. Then color in around the small circles inside of the eye. Good. Okay, next we're going to draw the cute nose. So I'm going to make my nose a carrot nose. So I'm going to make here to here with that. Then I'm going to make a cute mouth right there. And then I'm going to give my nose a little lines the carrots have. Good job. You don't have to give your nose lines. Okay, now we're gonna do the second snowball right here. And then the last snowball or booty, a little bit bigger down here. Great. Okay, so now we're going to make some little arms for our snowman. So I'm going to make mine like this. And you can make the branches go whatever way you want. You can give it, you know, kind of like a natural look. You can give it 3 or 2 little twigs, however you like. Good. I'm going to make some lines on my twigs so it looks like wood. Okay, next we're going to do the buttons. So you can choose if you want 2, 3 buttons and what size. I'm going to make 2.
I'm gonna make 3.
Oh, I like that 3. Those are good. Good job, Krista. Good job, everyone. You guys are doing great. Let's make some eyebrows on the little guy. I'm going to put mine up high here and small ones. Just like that. You can leave it with eyebrows or no eyebrows. Up to you. And that's it. I'm going to make mine a little bit chubby. I'm going to make a little chubby cheeks on my mouth. And then you can make some snow here if you want like some snow, or he's going to sit on top of a mountain. You can make some snow up here or here. So, I can make my guy sitting on top of a snow hill. And then he can have some snowballs right here, waiting to throw at his other snowman friend. There you go. Good.
I drew a snowball in his hand.
That's what I was thinking to do. I wasn't sure which one. I guess I'll draw here. Good. Look at this. Isn't it great? I mean, look at those snowflakes you did. Incredible. You guys should add those in there if you have time today. So tell your parents thank you for letting you draw a snowman and using paper. Thank you, Reese. That's my 4-year-old. I want to thank Krista, my 11-year-old, for being here today and spending her time drawing with me. She's awesome. You guys are awesome. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, and comment down below. We love you guys.
What do you want to draw next?
Wow, Weezers, it's cold outside. Hope you
Subscribe, like, comment, and watch the videos to the right. We got a Santa and a something else.